The curse of Pro Circuit Kawasaki continues. Not only did we have Levi Kitchen have to go east because of a sickness, we also had Ty Masterpool with the broken fingers, and now he's going to miss some time. And on top of all of that, we now have the news that Garret Marchbanks will also miss some time. This coming from Pulpamex saying, quote, sounds like Marchbanks got hurt and will be out for a while. Wow, poor Mitch. And out for a while means a while. I mean, that's not a week to week. That won't be a he'll be here or won't be at A2. He'll be at the next round. No, that sounds like he's going to be hurt for at least, well, who knows? I mean, if you're saying out for a while, it's not very good. As far as I can see, it was just a training crash. Who knows? And that means Pro Circuit has nobody on the West. Uh, with with Marchbanks now injured, Masterpool injured. The question is, do we see Drew Adams? I mean, there's no reason to not to at this point. With him being their sole rider who can actually race on the West Coast. I mean, I guess they could move somebody else over, but that'd be stupid at this point. And for him, it'd be perfect. No expectations of, you know, championship level racing. He just gets to come in, race for the team, get experience, and you know, do what he should do. Do what he should do. But it really, I mean, it really sucks for Marchbanks and for Masterpool, who are both, I believe, on 1 year contracts. Basically, on the hey, you need to prove to us contracts. And when you're out like this, it's really hard to actually prove that you should keep that ride. Uh, it's just, it's one of those sad things, man. That there's no reason that something like this. I mean, obviously, injuries happen, crashes happen. They are, you know, problems that nobody plans for. It's not something that you're gonna sit there and say, "Oh yeah, you know, one of us is going to get injured this year. It's fine. It's whatever." It's not. It's really one of those sad things that racing takes it out of you, I believe, and it just sucks that Pro Circuit, man, they were so dominant for so long, and now they are just getting absolutely destroyed year after year after year in the standing or in injuries. You know what I'm saying? I mean, granted, yes, at this point, Garret Marchbanks, I think, is eighth. Yeah, he's eighth with 27 points. So he's already 20 points down, you know, already almost a race behind first. So he's not like he was really in contention, anyways, but still sucks to see. You want everybody to stay healthy and race the whole year, make it competitive, make it fun to watch. But I don't know. You guys tell me in comments down below. Are you excited for A2? Are you excited for the rest of the year? Who do you think wins titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.